Ooh, girl. Well, hi there and hello. It's me, it's Triple T. I'm back again. And let's cue for the song. I'm beyond the fridge. I'm beyond life. Let's have a fucking homemade poutine. Get up in that gig, mama. And we'll call it a night, mama. Yes. Yes, let's get a chair. Yes. Good job. We got the chair, mama. Ooh, y'all can see it. We got the chair. Get up in here. Got some Tabasco for it. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's get ourselves a fork. Let's get up in this motherfucking gig, mama. Yes, God, I'm beyond the fridge, mama. And I got poutine. Oh, look at this. Oh, fuck me. Oh. Oh, that's hotter than a nun's vagina. Oh, you know it is. Oh. Now I chopped up some fresh jalapenos and some fresh onions in here to go with this. Ooh, this is cheesier. Fuck, this is cheesy. It's cheesier than my penis. Oh, sorry guys, it's a bit out of control, huh? Oh god. Oh god. Holy fuck me, what is this? Oh my goodness. I should have ate this. Whew. Ah. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh. Holy, that's good. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that cheese pull, guys. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Now that's how you do a poutine, mama. Fucking get up in that cake, mama. Oh. Oh. Yo. I got a orange creamsicle beer. Oh. Now I wanted to say something funny to y'all. I don't want my coworkers knowing I'm eating food up in the washroom. That is nasty as fuck, mama. But I do what I gotta do. Now I want to write a jingle for my bathroom series. So tomorrow I'm thinking I'm gonna do fried chicken. Popeye's fried chicken. Dunked in gravy in the washroom mukbang. I'll really bring it for y'all. Oh. Holy moly, mama. Oh, fuck me. I might have overdone it with the cheese, Mama. Now, in case y'all wondering what this look is, it's my lesbianic look. It'll keep the viewers like all my lesbian viewers. It'll keep them interested and fresh and hot, Mama. Oh. Oh. Y'all, I almost choked on that damn cheese. I'll take these off. And y'all can see what a dyke I look like. Oops, I hope that didn't offend anyone. People are so sensitive nowadays. Oh. Oh, Mama. Oh. This is a pretty damn good poutine if I ever did say so. Alright. To the lips, to the gums. Watch out, guys, because here it comes. Let's see how this is going to be. Oh, wow. Whew. It's quite interesting, Mama. It does taste like it says. Orange creamsicle. I wonder what that means. Does it mean you like gingers? I don't. I'm open. But I'm just not much open to white people. I feel, for myself, just personally speaking, I want to be with someone that's not white. And some people, and I have some friends, Mexican or Chinese, and they're only into white guys. That's fine, whatever you like. And then all Asian guys say to me, "Oh, what is it you like about Asian guys? Why?" I'm like, I don't know why. I find you attractive. I keep an open mind to all y'all, Mama. But I'm like, well, I just feel everyone should be in a biracial relationship. I mean, you do you. But I don't know. I think it's healthy for the world too. You know? I think it's healthy for the world. I think any good person, they have... And seriously, I'm sorry to say this, but they have friends from anywhere. All types. But, yeah. And I had this idea for a movie. And this is just a movie idea. Where, let's say in the world 2070 or whatever, people are forced. It is the law for you to be a biracial community. Or sorry, a biracial couple. If you want to be in a couple, it must be biracial. And that will end, Mama, racism. I mean, at the end of the day, I always think it's important to keep talking about it and keep it fresh. You know, let's keep things fresh, Mama. Let's keep talking about it. Ooh, this is, well, you know, it's like slop now. But yeah, let's, you know, that's all I'm saying. People are like, oh, why do you like Asians? Why do you like Asians? Oh, you sexualize them. And I'm like, well, I'm not sexualizing them like an object, but obviously I want to be with an Asian guy or a guy that is from somewhere else that's not like me. That's all. That's all, Mama. Everybody strives to be different. And I don't want to be a basic bitch. However, I don't say no to anyone. If it's good, then it's good, you know? If it's good, then it's good, Mama. Then you get them cookies. You get up in that gig. That gigorama. That gigorama. I'm gonna have a heart attack after all that cheese, guys. Oh, I gotta get down out of here. I only had a sip of this. Oh. Oh my god. I'm out of control. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, it's Dyke Wednesday. Oh.